All right, doing our first test fire. So just to clarify, we're going to run one round. We're going to check the brass. We're going to make sure that everything on that brass is operating okay. Make sure that we don't have any problems. And then we'll load 2, and those are quick succession fires to make sure the cycling's okay. Is that what we're going to do? All right.
Sounds good. What's the hillside?
This looks good to me. Didn't seat forward assist, maybe?
Two rounds.
Okay. This is the first shot out of the first production rifle that we have done for Oregon Trail Gun Company. This is it.
Going hot?
Going hot. We got a successful fire. Brass. Doesn't look like the case is crushed anywhere or any kind of bulging to show a bad headspace.
Primer.
Good center strike on the primer. That looks good, huh?
Looks good.
All right. All right. 2 in fast succession.
Going hot.
Going hot.
Oven clear.
And clear. That is exactly how that's done.